How to use the color picker or the eyedropper tool in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use or utilize the eyedropper tool in Canva. If you don't know about the color picker, then it allows users to select a color from any element within their design or even from outside the Canva application, such a photo or another browser window as well. This enables users to easily match colors, create cohesive color schemes, and maintain consistency in their designs. So let me show you by demonstrating how you can use the color picker. So in order to demonstrate, let me add some elements or graphics into this design right here. So to do that, I'm going to click onto this elements tab and let me add some images. Let's say of this particular car, and let me add another image, let's say for this car as well. So now here you can see that I have added images of these two cars. Now one thing you can notice that if I click onto this car, you can see that it is giving me an option to change the color of this car, and for this particular car you cannot change the colors. So in order to change the color for this car, I can do that very easily using color picker. So here is the situation that I want the color of this red car to be exactly like this gray car. So what I can do is simply utilize the color picker tool and select the shade of this car so that this car also have the same color as this car right here. So what I can do is simply select this photo, and then using this color option, since I want to change the red color, I'm going to click onto this red color, and then this is the color picker option. So you can simply click onto this add a new color option, and once you will click onto this add a new color, you can see the pick a color button or the color picker button right here. So simply click onto this and it will open this circular format where the extreme center pixel represents the exact color that it will apply. So let me drag it carefully towards the body of this gray color, and once I am done, I can simply click over to this, and here you can see that with just a single click, the color of this car and this car has been exactly matched. So that's how easily you can choose the color from color picker. And also I will demonstrate you how you can do it for other things apart from another design as well. So let me repeat the same steps. I'll go to the color, and then I will click onto this pick a color, and now on my screen I can choose any color. So for example, let's say I will choose the color of this Canva application right here. So let me click onto this Canva application, and now here you can see that this color exactly looks like the one at the top of my screen. So it doesn't matter where the color is, as long as it is present on your screen, you can simply use that particular color in your design using the color picker. So that's all for this video about color picker. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.